Wait till I'm done hiccuping.
Huh?
Turn on, just wait till I'm done hiccuping.
What? Hurry up. I gotta take a shower, hurry up. It's gonna stain me.
I can't stop hiccuping.
You couldn't see the color of my clothes. She went through just whole big things and she would go real slow and she'd gun it right in the middle. It was, I had to close my eyes because look how close it is to my eye. I had some up by my lip too. These are all acne. I don't know. There's something wrong with me.
Like you have like big like.
Look at it in my hair.
I can't stop hiccuping.
And on my neck and on my arms. I'm a dirty girl. I'm a country girl. Look how close it is to my eyeball.
Excuse me.
Oh, right there too. Ew. I look like I'm someone with a lot of moles.
A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. No, no,
Sometimes hiccups stay for a really long time. They're not gonna go away, so hurry up. You can hiccup and be like, it's okay, look at me. I'm just gonna